Climate activist and education reformer Sonam Wangchuk has sought permission to use a thermometer inside Jodhpur Central Jail to conduct simple experiments aimed at improving prison infrastructure. According to his wife, Geetanjali, Wangchuk wants to study the temperature patterns inside the barracks to explore eco-responsive architectural solutions that could make living conditions more humane for the inmates. Geetanjali said she met Wangchuk recently and handed over books he had requested for, including one on ants and the other on climate change. She added that Wangchuk had asked her to approach jail authorities and the Supreme Court to allow basic instruments for his experiment. Sonam Wangchuk, a Raymond Magsaysay Award recipient, was detained under the National Security Act in September following protests in Ladakh demanding statehood and sixth schedule status. He has spent over 110 days in jail, much of it in solitary confinement. Geetanjali has reiterated her appeal for his release, stating that his work in education and environmental innovation is vital to the nation. The next court hearing is scheduled for January 29.